Hi children, here I am coming with our IT subject. Yes, let us start the lesson networking. Here we have to cover 10 lessons. Then I am taking now the 5th lesson because we cannot complete our practical work. That's why I am taking the theoretically important lesson. We can expect many questions from this lesson. So let us start. All of you heard the word networking. What do you mean by networking? Can you give an explanation? Yes. Here, the process of connecting computers so that they can exchange information is called computer networking. That means the systems are interconnecting in this network. That's why we can exchange information or we can share some devices, etc. through this networking. Share the device means if any device is very costly, then for all the systems need not buy the device, I think like that printer or web camera, like that we need not buy for every systems in this networking because we can share the device. For example, in a network internet cafe, many devices are sharing in that net cafe, isn't it? Then listen the diagram which is given in the page 59. Here we could understand how it is going or how a network is working. From the modem, one hub is connected and through that hub 9 systems, so total 9 systems are connected. And in the system number 1, here we can see one web camera, and for the system number 4 there is a printer, then system number 6 there is a scanner. All these devices are connected to the connected in this network, and here it is sharing, and 2 other laptops are connected here through Wi-Fi. Okay, all these are enabled through a single hub. That means we can connect many systems in a modem by connecting a hub. Then how many computers are interconnected in this network? Here some questions are given. How many systems are interconnected in this network? Then which are the other devices connected to the computer? What are they? How many systems are interconnected here? 9 systems are interconnected. 2 of them is a laptop and all the other systems are connected by wired connection. And some other devices, that's I already said, web camera, printer, scanner, etc. Here, do you know what are the devices required for computer networking? What are the devices required? First of all, cables. Because to connect with another system, we need cables. We are using these cables because it is less cost only have. That is why. And the next is a connector. Then the third is, if there are more than 2 computers, then an instrument is required to control the exchange of data between computers. These are the 3 devices needed to enable the networking. First of all, the cables which are required for interconnecting computers. That is, this cable is called UTP cable. UTP means unshielded twisted pair cable, that is UTP cable. This UTP cable is coated with a plastic cover, and inside of that cable four pair of wires, and these four pair wires are in different color. They are orange and white orange, then green, white green, blue, white blue, brown, white brown. These are the four pair of cables included in this UTP cable. See it? Then the next is connector. At the end of this cable, we need a connector to connect with our system, that is RJ45. RJ45 connector. RJ45 means registered jack 45, that is registered jack 45 connector. At the end of this UTP cable, this connector is connected by using a crimping tool. That tool is shown in our text, page number 61. By using the crimping tool, this connector is connecting to that cable. Next is a hub. Hub is used to connect the systems. If the systems are more than two, we have another device to connect the other systems. So we can use here hub or switch. Both are using for the same purpose, but there is a difference that let us discuss. And these hubs are available based on the number of computers to be networked. Figure 5.5 in the page number 61 shows the picture of a hub with 8 port. That means this in this hub we can connect 8 systems. Okay. Then switches are also used for the same purpose, but if we are using the switch or switches for the same purpose, then the obstruction means or hanging we can avoid. Thing I left, one more connector is there, RJ11, that you can see it in your text. RJ11 is used to connect the telephone lines to the modem. Okay, that's also we have to study. Then in this lesson, just we start the networking, that is how or what is networking, how it is possible, or what are the devices used for connecting this networking, and the other thing is what are the uses of networking. Uses means we can share the device, we can exchange informations, then communicate with others, etc. Then we can see in the next.